Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Um, Ohio versus Michigan. We're gonna take a look at this page right quick. The Ohio versus Michigan I had did earlier. Michigan's evening number was 670. So it's like I down there just pointed at the number right here when I was showing you box number one. But Michigan hit it 670. Box number one. Ohio came with it 228. Ohio didn't hit this page. You triple players. Ohio might have got his triple. 228. If I take this 8 and I flip it backwards, I'm going to take 3 from it. That'll make it 225. Right there. And right here for Ohio. This 1 is 8 flipped. 8 plus 1 is 11. 221. 122. Ohio had 228 though. Let's type in. So Michigan hit box number 1. Some count 13. Ohio, some count 12. This is still the playbook, y'all. Michigan, this is still your playbook. We just gonna mark them off as they come for either state. Michigan hit the 067, some count 13. So we need to tap in further on Ohio, some count 12. So that's what we gonna do. Since Michigan hit on the day, Ohio needs to hit tomorrow. So I gotta write down the hit for Ohio tomorrow. Tomorrow being 425. And our evening number was 228. So we gotta dissect some shit right quick. Tomorrow's date, 425. Giving you 11. That's using all my addition symbols. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 5, giving you 11. Xing out this part. Working on this part. Change my symbols up from addition to multiplication. 2 times 5, giving me sum of 10. Ohio, evening, sum of 12. So we gotta pull a hit on this page for Ohio on this date right here. That's what we gonna do. Let's work out this number right quick. Ohio's waiting on one pair. Specific pair. And it seems as if Ohio don't want to drop it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see something right quick because off of the date 425, we got 11. If we add, if we multiply, we got 10. Ohio's evening number giving me a sum of 12. So let's work right quick. Following the sum count, -1, staying the same, I got 12. If I add 1, I got 13. If I keep adding, I got 14. Okay, the other way. If I go down from 12, I'm going over here on the date, which is 11. If I go down one more time, I'm going 10, which is right here on the date. Let's fill in our numbers. Let's fill in our numbers because we're going to see something right quick collectively. Because we need zeros in order to fill in my value because we're talking about the pick 3. We're talking about the pick 3. So we got 2 numbers potentially on the side right here. We need to fool with these 2 numbers that we got here on the side. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of 2 numbers. We got 5 pairs of 2 numbers. Let's use our brains. We need a 0 or a 5. We need a 0 or a 5. That might be our last pair right here as well because we need a 0 or a 5. Because why? Because for 1, 0, 5, when we go to write out the date, when we go to turn over the calendar, the same way this would be 0, 4 because we're in April. Once we jump the calendar and get to May, we're going to start our date writing like this right here. Okay? We need to see and scan right quick when the last time we got May's pair. And we break it down. 0, 5, 5. 0 is really not a number. Okay? 5. Okay? What's 5? 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay? From 4, from Xing out this number right here. 1 plus 3 is 4. If I'm doing the same thing, keep going up. 1 plus 2 is 3. If I keep doing the same thing right here, you hear me? Just keep doing the same thing. I got a 2 right here. What's 2? 1 plus 1 is 2. If I do the same thing on up here, 1, 1, however you want to look at it, 1 from the start. These are my pairs right here for Ohio. Let's plug my pairs in. Let's see what we did already so we can see exactly what we need to do. We need to see, for 1, when the last time we got this pair, and we go from there because we already got our sum counts. We already got our sum counts. Evening is right there. Evening is right there. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 8 is 12. And if I break that number down further, 2 plus 2 is 4, or 2 minus 2 is 0. And I bring this 8 right here. I just slide it down and use 5 digits to make 2 numbers. Evening 228 is 12. Look at my math. 2 plus 2 is 4, or 2 minus 2 is 0. I bring my 8 down there. 408 is what? Ain't that the date the solar eclipse was on? Solar? Ain't that the date solar eclipse was on? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, 12 and 12 for starters. So let's keep that in mind. That's one sum of 12. We looking for the last time we seen May pair because we on the way to May. We on the 25th. We on the way to May. 05 is 00. We don't have any 05s. We don't have any 05s. So if I don't have any 05s, I gotta mess with my numbers. Let me do 5 plus 5, giving me a 10, which is my starter pair from right here to the top. So no 05. And then from 10, I'm going to take 5. What I'm going to take? Am I going to take 5? No, I'm going to take 10 from 10. I'm going to take 10 from 10. From the bottom to the top, I'm going to take 10 from 10 to where my pair is going to equal that if I'm using that symbol. So no pair like this, we go here, 0, 0. Look at 0, 0. Right here. That's where we start from, 0, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I have that pair over here? No, I don't. But I got May, and May turns into, if I flip 05, I'm going to add 3 to it. This will be a 08 pair. 408 is a 08 pair. 08, 4. That's a sum of 12. I'm automatically pulling this pair 08 because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 draws with none of May talk. I got, excuse me, I got 8 draws with none of May talk. So I need to automatically break down May. And the thing is, I'm breaking down May's pairs off of evening's pick 3 number, 2, 2, 8. I need to use 2s and 8s, 08 for starters. I got 08. I go down and I go up, 08 or 07. Okay? I automatically pull May 05. Now let's work off my numbers given. 2 plus 2 is 4. 08, 04 is half of 08. So I can go down from 05. I got 04. 08. If I mirror this 8, I'm taking 5 from it. 8 take away 5 is 3. So I got 03. I'm following my trend. 03. I got 2s. So I need to mess around that pair somehow while following my trend. 2 minus 2 gives me 0. I got 2 2s, so I need to leave 1. That brings out my 02 pair. So I got 6 working pairs actively. in Ohio. 0807-05-04-03-02. Now it's like, okay, I got all them 02s and 03s. What do I do now? We fill in our pairs. While following the sum count. Let's start at the top. 08. From 12, 08, 4 is 12. 08, 5 is 13. To 11, 08, 083 is 11. So now I need to go to 10. 082 is 10. Do the same with my 07 pair. Starting at 12. 0, 7, 5 is 12. Michigan's evening number, 670. 0, 7, 6 is 13. So I hit 12, I hit 13. Now to 11, 0, 7, 4 is 11. And then I go to 10. 0, 7, 3. On my May pair, I'm not writing any repeat numbers. So what I mean by that is how I'm on my May pair 05. I'm starting at 12. My starting number would be 057, but that's the same right here. So I play away from that. So what I do is I mess with the pair, the second number of the pair. I flip or I mirror it. If I flip it, this would be a 1-5 pair. Okay? If I mirror it, this would be a 1-7 pair. Midday, we already got 1-7 pair. So this 12, specifically right here on this row, I need to flip this 5. So I'm going to add 3 to it. 2 plus 3 is 5. And I will turn this pair to be 12 or 15. Zero, 5, 1. It's 15. Read it backwards. 1, 5, 0, 15. 15 to 10, mirroring this 5. 15 to 10, mirroring this 5. I can break down this 1-5 pair inside the 0-5 pair stand on 15. For example, 1, 6, 8, 15. Five, 5, 5 is 15. 12 or 15. 12. 12 or 15. Playing with the pairs. 1, 2, 1, 5. Pulling from my twos. One, 5, 6. 15. So basically, maze pair is a finesse pair because it consists of a potential double pair. Down here on the 0-4X, 12 or 13, 0-4X. I gotta touch 15 then because 15 can go down to 14 if I do this row the same way I did this row. Same way I started 0-5-1, 0-4-1. Got a 15 some count right here. Needed a 14 some count right here. $14 some count right here. Playing with the date. 14. Playing with the date. 14. Same way. A 9 and a 6 flip each other. Add 3. Pick 3. Add 3. Add or subtract 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Looking for 14s. One, 4, 2. Pulling my twos from one of the ones from evening. 1, 4, 2. 14. Yeah, I ain't quite sure what happened, y'all. But we right back at it. And we gonna continue where we left off at. Um, it was finishing up the 14 row. The 0-3 row from 12. 0-3-9. It's 12. We go down to 11, that will be the same as right here to 13. To 13 would be 0-3-1. That's going down to 13 would be 0-3-1. We already got 14. 15 would be what? 1-5-3. Get to 15. 1-5-3. So if I flip this 3, I take 3 from it. 3 minus 3 is 0. That would give me a 15. So this row right here is a little different. Or if I touch on the 0-8, because 0-3 is 0-8 mirrored, to get a 15 count, I would be 0-8-7. To get a 15 count off of finessing the 0-3 pair. 0-8-7 will give me 15. Last pair, 0-2. Starting from 12. Starting from 12, messing with the 0-2 pair. 0-2-1. I read it backwards. 1-2-0. Sum of 12. I can't really go no further from 12 off of that pair because, well, yes, I can. I lied. Sorry, I lied, y'all. 12. Going down from 12, I'm going to 11. 12. Triple might about to be popping off. I finesse this. Get a triple on board. Ones flipped are adding 3s to them, which bring me 4s. 4s, 1s flipped, marry each other. 1s flipped, flip, add 3. Mirror. It's 5. Off the 1-1-2, giving me 12. if I take the two ones and I flip them, I'm adding three ones plus threes give me fours. So these ones will bring me fours. Do some more math right here with the 2. I just add that to itself. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 gives me 12. That's what I'm doing with my last pair. Let's see what it look like. I don't know if y'all seen that comment that person made or whatever. I don't know. Well, they clearly was trying to be funny saying, "What's up, Obama?" I'm talking about numbers. So if you ain't viewing my channel from a learning perspective or what I got going on, go on and find somebody else's channel. You feel me? So just touch base on that right quick, just in case anybody's seen that. I got an option on here to when somebody's saying something that's irrelevant, I can put your ass in timeout to where you really can't say anything else. This is my platform. I'm trying to show people something. So if you ain't coming out here for that, go on, get on up through. Because this ain't for you. Pair boxes, Ohio. Pair box number 1 is the 08. 08 is right here. Pair box number 2 is the 07. 07 pair is right here. Pair box number 3 is the 05 pair. 05 pair is right here. Pair box number 4 is the 04 pair. The 04 pair is right here. Pair box number 5 is the 03 pair. The 03 pair is right here. Pair box number 6 is the 02 pair. This is the 02 pair. These are my dates, numbers 11, 10. We got a sum of 12. So from the 25th, one of these pair boxes will hit Ohio. Let's do a 3-day run right quick. Since Michigan already hit the other page, Ohio, look for one of these pair boxes to hit during this time frame. Now, I ain't Obama, I'm something like him though. So, for those of you that had caught this session, that's all I got for you. Ohio, pick your pair box. 6 of them. 72 hours. 25th through the 28th. Pick your pair box. One of them will hit. One of the numbers within the pair boxes will hit. There are 4 in each row. Well, 4 in a couple rows. Pick a pair box. That's all I'm gonna say. Pick a pair box. One of these will hit. So until next time, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That's all I got for you. C. Jones Lotto Licks.